Yeah, hi Manjunath, over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hello everyone, very good evening, and I'm Manjunath, an alumni of Bindas Training Academy, that is Tech Sarvam. I was an academician working in an engineering college for last 10 plus years. Last week I have joined Cinecron, US-based MNC, as an automation test engineer. Uh, so this phase shift is made possible only through Binda's constant support and his guidance. I should admit that. I'm here to just share my experiences with you all about the phases that I went through and how this has been made possible. As I said, I was working in an engineering college for the past 10 plus years and had uh, even thought that I would complete my service as an academician itself in the same college, in the same profession. I never had a clue that I would join an IT industry. I would get an entry in the IT industry. Through one of my close friend, I just came to know about Bindas Training Academy, and initially my friend spoke to him about me joining this course, and later on I spoke to him. Only thing that he said in the beginning was, "Trust me, you will have a wonderful career in IT industry," and this is how it all began. So the initial days were like when I joined in October. It was in the first week of October that the training and all began. So initially it was all about the manual testing concepts, which he covered in depth, in detail, and believe me that right now I have faced some 3 to 4 interviews, and believe me, there is no such concept which is untouched by him, and even the experienced guys in industry with 10 plus years of experience and 15 plus years of experience, and who took my interview, and I was able to answer all those questions, and it is all because of the concepts that he has covered, like regression testing, smoke testing, sanity, alpha testing, beta testing, and much more concepts he has covered in detail, in depth. And there are no things like this thing is not known to me. There is no such concept which is left over according to me. And next thing was about the next he covered about the industry hands-on experience, where people like me, like he has even said that he has placed many non-IT guys into IT industry, and people like me, even being a computer science engineer, I don't know certain concepts, to be fair and frank enough, like how the industry standards will be, and what will be the industry standard, and what will be the particular concepts. So the thing is like how the industry basically works, what is the hierarchy over there, who is supposed to be contacted with respect to what doubt, and what role each and everybody is going to play over there. That's all covered in the hands-on experiences. There you will get to know in detail about like if you are having already experience in the IT industry, it's fine. But if you don't have any experience also, it won't be somewhat an alien thing for you when you move into a company, and you will start working with very comfortable. You'll be starting working through the training and through the sessions that he has delivered. And coming to the core Java concepts, he will be just training you with respect to the curriculum that he has designed is at par with all the industry standards, and it is at par with all the benchmarks and standards. And the tagline is that whatever Java you have learned, and even I have learned Java in my engineering, but I have not taught Java in my career, but I have learned Java in engineering. But the Java you might have learned in engineering, or you might have learned through other courses, the only thing what he says is unlearn the things that you already know and relearn the things that I just want you people to learn, because the industry standards are very much different compared to the application Java that we people may know, like certain concepts, in-depth explanation of all the concepts through the programs, complete hands-on approach. The only thing is what you have to do is you just have to follow him blindly, and he will just lead you to the right destination. That is what I can say, you people. And later on it was about the automation through the Selenium and the TestNG framework and Maven. All the concepts were very much covered in detail, in depth, and neatly covered. And trust me that I have faced 4 interviews. I have cracked all 4 interviews. I had all 4 offers in my hand, and even I contacted him like which company I'm supposed to join. He suggested me to join Cinecron, which is a US based MNC. And he keeps on even at certain times I just had some of my own commitments, like I have not contacted him for my own personal reasons, like I was busy with my academic schedule and all those things. But he constantly was in touch with me, like what is the status of your training going on and how is it going on. He used to take feedbacks regularly, and he used to just say that this is what is supposed to be done, and the things like they all went in place. And the later phase was about the special support that he is going to provide. Like it is the best experience and the best package what he is providing at Tech Sarvam, and a fine team of Vadiraj, Dinesh, and moreover, like overall, on top of them is Binda, who will be there as a guiding light for you people throughout the training process as well as the next process also. Only thing what he told me was just create an email ID and give a phone number, and rest of the things will just be taken care by our people and our team. And that went as well. And on the first day itself of uploading my resume in the Naukri portal, and he has just mentioned some keywords like his own team has built the entire resume, and this entire process was done by them. And I just got some 10 to 15 calls on the very first day itself, and 3 to 4 interviews were scheduled in the coming week itself. And I just faced the interviews with confidence. And in the interview also, like there was no such question like he has not told and I didn't know. It was not like anything like I don't know, like he has not told me some concept like I am facing these issues. That was not a scenario at any point of time. All the concepts that he has told, that he has delivered in the classes, they were very good enough. And I just faced the interview with confidence. And that's all about how I faced the interviews and how I got the offers. And right now I am an example before you, that how an academician has been turned into an IT guy. And but there are many more examples in past, as well as there are many more examples in the forthcoming also, which are uh, on the way to come. And this is all because of the guidance and the support that Binda has given me, I should admit that. And it's all because of Tech Sarvam that I am now making my career into IT industry. So this is what I had to tell you, all of you people. And only thing is don't be somewhat in dilemma about how the things will go, this, that, everything, because he knows complete in and out of the industry, what the industry is going to expect out of a fresher, out of a 3+ years of experience, out of a 10-year experience, guys. He knows every nook and corner of it. You just blindly follow him. He will just guide you to the proper destination, no doubt on it. Please don't keep any doubt on yourselves, as well as please don't doubt your trainer also. He is much capable than anybody else who is there in a training industry, I can say you. Yeah, that's all I had to tell from my side. And thank you for providing me an opportunity to speak in this platform.